pinangarap kong tumulong sa mga tao na nakikita ko na nangangailangan kahit hindi ko sila kilala. Hello Clash Nation, this is Elaine Maristella from The Clash Season 5 and back here at the Clash Arena. And here are the 7 reasons why ako ang dapat manalo this season. Number 1 is to pursue my passion and expose my talent for people to be able to recognize me. And syempre, second is pinangarap kong tumulong sa mga tao na nakikita ko na nangangailangan kahit hindi ko sila kilala. And third, syempre, I dream ko na I want to be able to help those stray animals sa streets na hindi nila kaya ang sarili nila. And fourth is syempre for family investments, ganyan. And fifth, syempre for college. Like, para naman mabawas-bawasan yung gastos sa akin ng parents ko. So, at the same time, kaya ko na din mag-provide for myself or at least mabawasan man lang yung expenses nila. And sixth, syempre for personal needs and wants then as a fashionista, diba? And seventh, lastly, is to show people who I really am and what I can do as an artist. And para masuportahan din ako and mas masuportahan lalo akong ma-recognize ng mga tao sa Bamban. Again, this is Elaine Maristella Gatula and see you sa loob ng The Clash Arena.